In today's challenge, we have a table with two columns, title and values. Titles should become headers, and the actual data is all packed into a single row as comma-separated text. Your task is simple to see, but tricky to do. Turn this into a normal table where each row is one record, like this. Now don't jump into solving yet. Let's think. At first glance, this looks like a table, but something feels off. The headers are not headers, they are values in a column. And the data isn't in rows, it's trapped inside the text. My first instinct: split the column. Transform split column by delimiter. We can either select comma as our delimiter or use a custom one, like space, comma, space. Here it will save us one extra step with trimming the results. Okay, now I've got multiple columns, but my headers are still vertical. In Power Query it's very easy to fix. Just use transpose and then promote headers. Optionally, you can change the data types. Looks awesome, but I don't trust this solution. Yes, the result is correct, but let's look at the code. As you see, the column names in our first splitting step are hard-coded. That means if our table has more than 8 values, it will break, and we will lose data. But if we delete this part, the solution will become fully dynamic. A little fix, but a lot of problems avoided. Now let's try something else. Let me restate the problem more carefully. I don't actually have rows. I have names and lists. So these are columns already, but they're just stored as text. So the real task is not fix the table, it's extract lists and build a table from them. To extract the values, I'll type values in square brackets right after the source. When we have a list, we can use list functions, such as list transform. They are pretty reliable and very powerful, so let's use it. List transform our values, then apply text split for each value. A little bit of coding and we have our columns ready, in the form of lists. To transform them into a table, I will use table from columns function. The first argument is our function, and the second is simply a list of titles. Source, title in square brackets. One short formula and a very robust solution. As you see, the user interface is great and it gets you moving fast, but sometimes it also pushes you into extra steps you didn't actually need. So if you follow it blindly, you end up fixing problems you created yourself. And once you see that, Power Query stops being a tool you click and becomes something you actually understand. See ya!